Are you looking for a way to quickly customize and use GetResponse email templates? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down how to make the most of GetResponse's email templates so you can start sending professional emails with ease. Stay tuned, because we'll also cover alternatives that might better suit your needs, and we've got an exclusive deal just for you at the end. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice when you open GetResponse is its email editor. It has a ton of pre-designed templates, perfect for a variety of email types like newsletters, promotions, and product announcements. But don't just settle for what's provided. Customization is key. Next, let's talk about how to customize these templates. To start, choose a template that fits your needs. Once you've selected one, you can adjust it using a simple drag and drop interface. You can add text, images, buttons, and even forms to your email. If you want to change colors, fonts, or layouts, just click on the section you want to adjust, and you'll see all the options pop up. The third thing you should know is how to make your emails stand out. One way to do this is by using GetResponse's A/B testing. This feature allows you to test different versions of your email to see what works best for your audience. Whether it's changing the subject line or tweaking your call to action, A/B testing can help you improve your open rates and click-through rates over time. Now, let's talk about personalization. GetResponse makes it easy to personalize your emails. Use dynamic content blocks that change depending on who's receiving the email. You can add the recipient's name or location, or tailor the content based on past behavior. This will help you engage your audience on a deeper level and increase conversions. The fifth thing to mention is automation. GetResponse allows you to set up automated email sequences. This is incredibly useful for nurturing leads or sending timely follow-up emails. You can automate things like welcome emails, product recommendations, or reminders. The beauty of automation is that it saves you time while making sure your emails are always relevant. But here's the deal. While GetResponse is solid for email marketing, it's not the only player in town. There are other platforms that offer similar features, and some even take things a step further. For example, if you're looking for a more user-friendly interface or better segmentation tools, you might want to check out platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. Both have free trials, and depending on your goals, they might be a better fit for your needs. Now, before you go and sign up for anything, here's the good news. We've got an exclusive deal for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and some amazing perks, but we've also included other alternatives that might serve you better. So, make sure to check them out if you're looking for something a bit different. Thanks for watching, and remember, customizing your GetResponse email templates can boost your email marketing game. Just don't forget to explore your options.